Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit Squarespace site for mobile. So simply, just as you can see, this is this desktop version. So now on the right top side you can see the mobile view. Simply click here, and after that here you can see this is your mobile site view. So simply here you can see the collections, lookup, shop, contact, about, all the sections available here. So now here you can see in this way when someone visit your website from mobile, so this is the home or landing page, and after that he will type the email and click on sign up. So in this way he will access to your website. So now here you can also add the site title here. Simply just here you can see your site title. So now if you want to change or edit all these sections, so simply you have to go to desktop version, and after that here you can edit all the website here, and after that when you successfully edit the site on your desktop you can easily get the mobile view. So it's hard for you to edit complete your site in mobile, so you have to only use the desktop version to edit your site in Squarespace.